Hello everybody, I hope everybody's having a great day. Today you guys, we're going to make a super cute little bottle. This bottle has already had Slick Stick on it. It was a brown bottle and I figured it would take a few coats, so I went ahead and put one on it before I went onto the video. But anyway, we are adding some more Slick Stick and then we're going to add a coat of white paint. This little bottle was, like I said, brown. It had a label on it that said witch or brew or something like that. I got it at the Black Friday here in Mooresville, Indiana. And I got 4 of them for $2, so that wasn't too bad. But you can pick bottles up anywhere, you guys. This is just a tiny little bottle. Anyway, we're going to finish painting this, and then we're going to do some fun stuff with it. We are going to take this European Excellency paper. I will put the link in the video, the description of the video for European Excellency. I love their papers, you guys. They have such cute rice papers. They have a lot of spring and a lot of Easter and even Valentine's Day if you want to grab a Valentine's Day before that time. We're going to stick this little print right here on. I like the ones that have the multiple prints for the smaller items, but this has got 2 little sweet bunnies on it. I absolutely love it. And I love all the greens, and it's just so springy looking. I'm ready for spring, you guys. So ready for spring. So we're just going to give this a good dry. I use Posh Pigment Infuser to add it there. These little ribbons, you guys, are nothing but material that I had that I've cut with pinking shears. They were a little wrinkly, so I added spritz of water, and I'm drying them with my heat tool and cutting them with pinking shears. I do each one of them like that just to get the wrinkles out so it doesn't look wrinkly, because a lot of times when you store ribbon or material, it gets wrinkly. And it's just easier to do that instead of pull out my iron. Anyway, I added some yellow, like chiffon looking type material or ribbon to this. And the yellow kind of takes on a green cast. But it is really, really, really cute. I mean, I'm just giving these another cut in the center so they're a little thinner. And I think they look so cute on here. I'm just going to add some Distress inks and some oxides to this just around the edges of the bottle. I use like 3 different colors to just kind of make it all work together around the edges and up on the sides. And then I take a smaller print and add to the back, which this has got 2 little bunnies on it also. Then I decide it needs something else. So I grab the cork and a little bitty, I think they're like little pots that you can get from the Dollar Tree. They're little wood pots. And I'm turning it upside down onto the cork, and I'm painting it all in the gold color. And then I'm going to trim down that cork so that they're the same exact size. And then that makes a cute little bottle topper. Then I'm going to add me a piece of Totally Dazzled, a sweet little bow. I'm just going around with some more of the gold onto the bottle where the greens are, just to kind of make everything cohesive. And you guys, here is a beautiful picture of this. Look how sweet this little bottle turned out. I love it, you guys. It's absolutely adorable. Guys, if you don't follow Rekindle Blessings, come hang out with us. And thank you guys for watching. Have a great day.